Judge Frank Caprio has seen thousands of cases in his courtroom, but this time, he was left absolutely furious. A driver stood before him, giving an excuse so unbelievable, it made the entire courtroom gasp. Judge Caprio leaning forward, eyes narrowing, driver standing nervously. The case began like any other traffic violation. The driver, a man in his late 20s, was charged with speeding through a busy intersection. Judge Frank Caprio asked him a simple question. Why were you driving so recklessly? Young man, 28 to 30 years old, medium build, nervous, standing at podium. Judge Caprio looking calm but firm. The driver's response? Shocking. He smirked and said, I was late for a party. I don't care about the speed limits. Driver with arrogant smirk, shrugging shoulders. Courtroom audience reacting with surprise. Judge Caprio tightening his jaw. In that moment, Judge Caprio's expression changed. His voice grew sharp. He reminded the driver that reckless behavior doesn't just risk his own life. It risks the lives of innocent children, families, and pedestrians. His words cut through the silence of the courtroom. Judge Caprio. This is not a joke. Speeding is not just a ticket. You could have killed someone. And you think this is funny? Judge's eyes fierce, audience silent. Driver now looking ashamed. The driver, suddenly realizing the gravity of his actions, lowered his head. His arrogance disappeared. For the first time, he looked guilty and afraid. Judge Caprio, if you were my son, I'd make sure you understood the responsibility that comes with driving. You don't play with lives, judge pointing firmly. Driver swallowing hard, courtroom tense. Finally, Judge Caprio delivered his verdict. He issued a fine, but more importantly, a lesson. His voice carried a message not just for the driver, but for everyone watching. Judge Caprio, you'll pay your fine, but I hope you've learned something more valuable. Driving is a privilege. Respect it. Respect other people's lives. This case proved once again why Judge Frank Caprio is more than a judge. He is a teacher, a guardian, and above all, a voice of justice and humanity. Driver leaving humbled, Judge Caprio calm but serious, courtroom relieved.